This is my new Smartphone 401. I just got it a few weeks ago. Now, I want to wheelie it, but it's been 2 years since I've ridden and stunted a gas bike. Now, I actually learned to wheelie on a heavy, underpowered CRF 250L back before I even started stunting electric bikes, but it's been a while. This smartphone is nearly double the horsepower of my old Supermoto, so that should help. So, I'm challenging myself to relearn how to wheelie this bike by riding nearly every day for 2 weeks straight.
Alright guys, here we are, day one, down at the lots. Much more likely to get kicked out of here because this makes sound, unlike the electric bike. I'm probably going to be too embarrassed to even post this, but gotta start somewhere. Oh man, I don't know.
Day one, at first I thought we were going to be able to do everything in first gear, but I learned quickly that's not the case.
This thing's going to kill my nuts.
So, all the practice in this video is second gear clutch ups.
So I think I learned on a gas bike. This is gonna take a lot of practice back. Guys, we're getting better at them now, I think. We got our support Brandon on the phone, but and just use the rear brake to put her down. Okay guys, this is day two. We got one-way ride behind the camera. We're gonna get on the bike and try to just do some horrible wheelies. We'll get some pointers from the goat himself, one-way ride. So let's try. Biggest thing is ABS will cut out this bike when you're at 12. It happened to me the other day. So we got to turn it on. We're in neutral. Okay, so you got to press these two buttons, hold them. Now it says not legal. The ABS light's always going to be on. Now ABS is off.
Turning off ABS is a must. You don't want your brakes to stop braking at any point.
Chase. To the front, ABS is still on though. I mean, I could do it on the 250 somewhat, but not nearly drop back, but we'll get there. I just want to get like good sit down and like coaster wheelies. Yeah, so I could just wheelie it and then coaster, like I don't need to be doing combos and shit on this thing.
Watching this back, you see how much of a worm I was, but it's all about slowly getting yourself comfortable, pushing yourself to get closer and closer to balance point. I wasn't rushing anything, because I really didn't want to loop, but I am looking forward to hopefully progressing some more over these next couple days.
Being a big old baby. Should stop focusing on keeping it up and focus on getting it to balance point, even if I put it down right away. Oh yeah guys, the sun is setting. We got our beautiful Husqvarna Svartpillen 401. We'll try a couple more wheelies. I'm so glad. I was a little afraid taking the wrap off that it wasn't going to be super clean underneath, but it's pretty damn clean. Well guys, this is supposed to be day 3 practicing wheelies on the Svart. All these lots are freaking full. I guess there's a concert tonight at the Link. I didn't even know. This looks like it could be good for wheelies right here. I need to lock in, bro. Finally found a wheelie strip to practice at least. There we go. That's where we want to be. Chase. What the f***? What was that? Bike just cut out. That was weird. Alright guys, day 4 practicing back here at the OG spot. It's a nice little hill, so we'll see if any of the practice has paid off. Alright, fill out a new lot here. Why does that already feel better? Guys, I think we're gonna learn how to wheelie this thing. Drop back, you baby. We're like right there. Still gotta slow it down. Alright guys, it is day 5, the final day. You're probably asking, what? The final day? I thought it was 2 weeks. Well, I make the rules around here, and it's actually been 2 weeks since I've even ridden. Today we're going to do day 5, see how good we can get in 5 days. Usually I like to suggest riding every single day, even if it's just a short amount of time, but I didn't have that privilege. So anyways, we're going to see if the rest, if you will, yielded any improvement here on our last day. So it's always silly. There we go, now we go. Alright, so ABS is off now. Guys, these are all done in second gear clutch ups. Ooh. Nice, just gotta drop back a little more. Alright, quick change of scenery. It's windy everywhere, but we'll do the best we can. The surround kid cannot wheelie a gas bike in 5 days. Dude, this wind is crazy. Alright guys, we're coming to the day 1 spot just to button things up here, see if we can't get any better wheelies on this hill. Still chasing it, like we're not getting to balance point. This is pathetic. Like that's just a little too low. We gotta man up and drop back more, but that was a taste of where we need to be. Why did that happen? Did I grab clutch or something? Well guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Again, I know I said 2 weeks, but I make the rules 5 days. I think what I learned through this challenge is that wheeling a gas bike is a lot harder than wheeling an electric bike. I think if you can wheelie a gas bike, you can easily hop to an electric bike because it's just automatic and you just have a handbrake instead of a foot brake. But I think it's way easier to wheelie an electric bike. Gas bikes are just so much heavier. There's way more variables involved, including the clutch, a foot brake, engine brake, all of that. So this has been nothing less than humbling. However, a big part of this channel is challenging myself to get better and do better, so I'm really excited for what's to come on this bike. Practice a lot more, get actually good at drop back wheelies. I suck right now, I know. Leave a worm down in the comments because I know I am in fact a worm, but we have plenty of content coming on this bike, plenty of content coming on the RTR, so stay tuned for all those videos. Otherwise though guys, I will catch you next time. Road to 100K, please sub, peace.